Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to air fry a Stouffer's French bread pizza. So obviously, first things first, I'm going to open the box and take the pizzas out of the package. And then I have an air fryer that has like the little pull-out drawer, and I just like to put down some parchment paper in mine to keep it cleaner. And then I'm going to unwrap the French bread pizzas and I'm going to put them in there. They fit perfectly. If they're a little bit too big, like maybe if you have a smaller air fryer, you might need to cut them in half to make them fit, just to make them a little bit smaller. But you want to air fry those at 400 degrees for about 4 to 6 minutes. And that's it. They're all done. Surprisingly, I ate one of these for lunch and it was actually very good. So if you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.